Hey, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Whoa, nasty. Meaty, who fried the corned beef?
Don't even look at me. I've only been eating green beans.
That's my St. Patrick's Day cheese. It's a naturally moldy green that's unnaturally delicious.
Oh, no, man. Green liquidy fruit beverage, anyone?
Okay, come on.
But I brought a green mascot. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I'm calling him O'Chumpy.
In honor of him eating your foot.
St. Patty's Day skate parade, man. Watch out, little green man.
Do you see them? Are they coming? I think I lost them.
Lost who?
Watch out, little Rob. Anyone who wears all one color is either a used car salesman or a leprechaun.
Congratulations! It's your lucky day with your lucky leprechaun, Seamus O'Shady O'Malley.
A real live leopard, whatever, man.
I've been thinking of retiring. Now that you've captured me, according to leprechaun legend, as told in movies and cereal commercials, you've earned the chance to take my place and learn my lucky jig.
That's okay, pal. Nobody wants your lame hat. And who would ever want to do that dance?
You mean this dance? And as for me hat...
Yay! Ta-da! Yay! 7 years, good luck, man! And I'm the next trick.
Oh, sick.
Best thing I ever seen, man.
No! Let's see your tricks. Whoever does the best one wins me lucky hat and me lucky jig.
We're all way too smart to trust leprechauns. Right, Wild Grinders? I'm not buying it.
Are you buying it now?
Whoa! Could it be the fabled bacon hat of La Carrette?
Tis the very same.
Yeehaw! Bacon hat rules!
Ne'er has there been a more deserving recipient of me lucky hat than this Colleen. Whoa!
Leprechaun! I'm a lucky leprechaun! I did not see that coming.
Be warned. With this hat's amazing powers comes great responsibility. Nah, I kid. Do anything you want. As for the powers, you can spot a four-leaf clover as far as a mile away.
4 leaves!
I've never seen someone see anything before.
Useless thing just now?
I don't know. Finding mutant plants and having people call you a leprechaun isn't exactly awesome.
Jealous!
Meaty can, oh yes, grant one wish to each of his friends.
Yeah!
Dang, yo, green is your color.
Hey, Meaty, old pal of mine. I wish for 1,000,000 more wishes.
And a safe to hold them in. A safe you'll never be able to open. 'Tis what the greedy have come into them.
Thanks. I was looking for a table.
Now, I be off to lunchy lunch. Where can I find some fried tarantulas? I be kidding ye.
Yoiky tight!
Goggles, I wish you never bought that wiggity-whack gator.
You gotta be careful how you use the W word. JJ, you just used up your your one W.
Dang! I wish I could undo that. Meh, it was worth a try. Anybody see where that gator went?
Oh, hello. Why is there an alligator hiding inside my newspaper?
So, what you gonna wish for, Lil Rob?
Something I've always wanted. Whatever that is.
I ache to write a poem that bears my innerness to the world, but that's an ache, not a wish.
I wish I could float. That's one ninja leprechaun.
Hello, skate weenies. No one goes swimming in March. Oh, look, Meaty's playing leprechaun dress up.
Meaty can grant wishes. Think of the one thing you've wanted more than anything else. Then wish for it, and Meaty will make it come true.
I wish I had the best new phone ever made.
And so it'll be.
The new iPhone 5? Love it! And it's preloaded with celebrity fix this. Meaty's a leprechaun. A real deal leprechaun.
How you doing with that safe?
Only 3,537,236,123 more combos to try. Much less than a Googleplex. A Google Pie? What's that, Goggles? Oh, I wish I could talk smart like that, man. Like maybe even talk Japanese.
Your wish be granted, Jack-o'-nice. Fiddly-foo, fiddly-fee, fiddly-fiddly-foo.
Reticence, perfidy, obsequious. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, my hearing holes don't understand my talking hole, man. Maybe you should have asked to actually be smarter. Hontou ni sumimasen, man.
A real leprechaun! The viral text from that pie-phone girl wasn't lying. That means you have a pot of gold waiting at the end of the rainbow. Take me to your pot of gold. I'll put it in my GPS.
There's the leprechaun. Catch him.
I wish for a new car.
A new house.
Lisa!
World people, leave me alone!
Give me
Give me the gold! No wonder that Seamus guy retired. Little Rob, help me! Help me!
Meaty, what's wrong, puppy?
I'm done with being a leprechaun. I want out!
Well, I think you just have to give the hat back and call it done. Seems a little snug.
Ow! Ow! Let go! Faces aren't supposed to stretch like that!
Sorry, Meaty. I wish I could just... That's it!
What's it?
My wish! I still have one coming. I'm gonna use it to save you. Here goes. Okay. I wish Meaty wasn't a leprechaun.
Welcome to You're a Leprechaun and I'm Not, the game show where you're a leprechaun and I'm not, and where the host holds a turkey leg instead of a microphone.
But little Rob wished I wasn't. And as we all know, when you make a wish...
Wrong. You can't wish someone out of being a leprechaun. They have to want the lucky hat. Wish I had better news for you. Oh, wait. No, I don't. La-dee-da-dee-dee, doodly noodles.
We can't trick someone into getting stuck wearing this terrible hat. Unless... Welcome to St. Grinder's Day. What do you think? 5-leaf dandelion? Teal chips?
How about a teal hacksaw? This setup's redolent with irony. Oh, what does that even mean, man? Now I'm even thinking in this gloriously obtuse vocabulary. Tamagaitai!
We're just missing one thing. Hey, Seamus!
What's the deal? You just tore me away from dinner and they were serving corned beef and cabbage. My favorite.
Well, we were just thinking that St. Patrick's Day was feeling worn and played out.
And since we're in charge now, we wanted you to see how we changed your dusty old green holiday to our new and improved clean and teal one.
Welcome to St. Grinder's Day.
St. Grinder's Day? What have you done? What's with this teal? It's more blue than green. I've danced nary a jig to this. Nary a jig.
On St. Grinder's Day, we don't dance at all.
No dancing? That's an outrage. If the king of the leprechauns...
I'll dance with you, short stuff.
Finally, a pretty lass willing to jig.
Charmer. But I can't dance till someone unlocks my nose.
Almost got it.
I bet you look so handsome in your lucky hat. Put it on immediately.
Ah, now I see how you be. Think you're so clever. You'll never outtrick this trickster.
Nose? That's it!
According to the legend on this cereal box, leprechauns have always feared alligators. Oh, poor alligators.
Oh, yuck! This is full of gator guts. Ah, there's a zebra in here.
Maybe we'll convince old Chompy to release you. If you take back your leprechaun hat.
No trade backs. I've retired. I've taken the buckles off me lucky shoes already.
No trade backs?
Ugh, gator guts. Wait. Okay, fine. You win. I'll be the leprechaun again.
All right, old Chompy. Release Seamus O'Shady O'Malley.
I have to go into hiding. They want my phone, Robbie Bobby. I won't give it up. I'm not sharing. You may not see me for a while. I'll text you.
I guess I got my wish after all.
Sayonara, Denise-san! Man!
See anything?
No, sir.
Wait, I think I see something!
Nothing, man. Careful. You know my vertebrae do have feelings.
Wild Grinders, today will go down in history as historic. A day that historic dreams are made of.
True, and also true with extra true sauce. Wait, what are we putting the true sauce on again?
Not what? Who? Yeah, hang on. I'm just scrolling through pics of my whitewater rafting trip. Ah, yes, here we go.
Right. England's greatest footballer with extra true sauce, Sir Percival Cadwallader.
I'm glad true sauce is catching on.
And we exchanging something of ours to get him over here.
What's all this then? Burrito! Poke it more!
There he is! That guy is something else.
The excitement's making my mind melt, man!
That's your milkshake!
Oh, why do I keep putting it there, man?
Ooh, Sir Percival!
Flips, Denise, what are you doing here?
We're the founding members of the Sir Percival Cadwallader International Football Fan Club. Sprawl City chapter! Ooh, Sir Percival!
Whoa! Air Awesome Town!
With extra true sauce, man!
It's working!
We're easy!
Maisie!
And Squeezy!
Get ready!
For say?
Possible!
Okay, but where?
I don't see him.
Hello, mates. Up here. Ta and da.
Sir Percival! Sir Percival!
I thought you said he was a football player.
Football is soccer in England.
You're sure you're gonna hold it?
Just kick it!
He's a soccer player, Stubford.
I'll get over my rat awesome disappointment. Oh.
My name is Lil Rob. Lil Rob.
No need to yell. I wrote a translation app.
My name is Lil Rob. Lil Rob.
I am down with that thing.
Cool.
With extra true sauce.
True sauce, barbecue, or dill.
You getting it, robot app?
Ha! Classic JJ. Crackin'.
Wait, what? You know me?
Oh, I know all of you. The Wild Grinders are brilliant back home in England. I am Sir Percival Pensington Cadwallader III, of the Kensington-on-Shire Cadwalladers of Snagglehoot Row. Pleased to meet you.
Whoa, that's a lot of... Whoa.
So, Percival Plentypants.
True sauce.
Pose pesky moves!
Let's get rid of that for an official Wild Grinders name.
In the name of the Wild Grinders, we do dub thee Sir P.
Sup, Sir
I like
P?
your pesky moves, man!
Oh, this is bang on.
I like it.
Let's roll.
Allow me.
No, he was looking at me. Don't push me, girl. You better not have said that, Skate Wheezy. Oh, no, you didn't.
Now, get ready for something truly amazing from across the pond. Here it comes now. Let's vid this. I can get 1 million views, and that's before a nosh.
Launch.
Is this the amazing part?
I'm sure it will be. It's from overseas.
Welcome to Super Tea. Care for a cuppa?
Man,
Good tea. Is that a hint of burrito?
I say, old chap, this is quite civilized. Quite.
I may need a moment. And that's only part 1. 3, 2, 1, Super Tea, go!
I'm going next.
He's much better than last year's exchange.
I'm in love. Oh. Ow.
Took Emo a month to grow his eyebrows back.
What else can you do with that fancy foot? Kick something! Go on!
I love having fans.
I love you, Sir Percival. Ditto. Ditto, ditto.
Natty show, Wild Grinders. That was tight, wasn't it? Fist bump.
Yo, that stuff was totally happening.
True sauce.
I love that robot app.
Okay, Sir P, here's our exchange, the lowdown on skateboarding. Check this.
Amazing! We've all seen your videos.
Time for you to lay it out. Goggles, get Sir P aboard.
Pick your wheels, mate.
Check them out, Sir P. We've got them in a variety of styles and colors. We even got one that can take you back in time. Oh, yeah, we don't recommend that one.
Thanks so much, my grinder mates. I'll display this one for always.
That's not for display. You get on it and ride, man. Ride. Man.
Ride? Oh, I'm afraid I can never ever ride a skateboard. They're monsters. When I was but a wee lad, my dad thought it would be funny to scare me by dressing up as the skateboard creeper.
The skateboard creeper!
I've never been able to ride a skateboard since then. Watch. It's got me! See?
So gorgeous. Isn't he just so? Even his epic fails are like dreamy dream.
Get out and stay out, surface dweller!
We gotta help this guy, Grinders.
I can banana kick 5 balls a mile. But put my foot on a big scary deck, and there's no way.
The score's 5-0. Game over, Sir Dreamy. And here's your trophy, you beautiful you.
When I return to England, I'm supposed to demonstrate what I've learned from you wild grinders.
Dang, yo. If he can't skate, our rep will be ruined in a place we've never been.
Sir P, we gotta teach you not to fear the board, but to embrace it.
Oh, you know who you
wish
are.
I could marry you, boy.
I mean, like forever.
Goggles, we need your special genius.
And I'm going to need a screwdriver, a recording app, and a potato and chive burrito. What? I'm hungry.
Goggles?
Sorry. I love to do that when I'm working. Behold, Sir P, your board is ready.
Posh.
Excellent.
Ha ha! Woo! Yeah! Jolly good!
You did it! You're now an official Wild Grinder skate ambassador.
In your face, skateboard creeper!
Amazing! You learned all that in one afternoon? Of course he did. He's Sir Percival. He's made of dreams. Oh, Sir Percival!
Goggles, you're an amazing board man.
I did add something extra. I started with a deck covered in the same leather as a soccer ball, so the board feels like a soccer ball. And then I added the supporting cheers from his fans to give him confidence.
You can do it! So fantastic!
It was their words of encouragement that helped me through this awesome time.
Yay, science! Good job, Goggles.
Wild Grinders, this has been a most smashing exchange. Can't wait to show off my mad skills on this board.
For us too, Sir P. Do us proud.
And thanks for the rocket, man!
I hope someday you will all come to visit.
Do you think the people across the pond will be impressed with Sir P's skating?
Not so much, JJ. Not so much.
Wait,